2 weeks ago, on Friday, April 10th, Skyline's JROTC hosted a blood drive with United Blood Services. And I was there to get the inside scoop.
So we're hoping to collect about 94 units of blood here today. And then this blood will go to our lab in Scottsdale, and we'll start processing it today. And we will test it, of course, and then we will separate it into red blood cells, plasma, and platelets. The red blood cells, of course, would be like a car accident victim or a surgery patient. Platelets would be like a cancer patient, and plasma would be like a burn or trauma patient. So each donation could potentially help save 3 lives. It takes about 45 minutes to donate blood. There's an interview process that's kind of like a mini physical. They take your blood pressure, your temperature. They ask you if you're on any medications. Plug you in the computer, of course. That takes about 20 minutes. The blood part takes about 10, 12 minutes, depending on how hydrated you are. And then we like you to hang out and have snacks, cookies and juice for about 15 minutes. So it's about 45 minutes. We're a nonprofit, and we supply all the local hospitals with blood, and this is pretty much how we get blood. Out of Arizona's blood supply, 13% of the blood supply is from high school students, just like this. And we have students sign in, they need a permission slip and an ID, and then they go through the 45-minute process. Once we process the blood, we can store it for 42 days. But typically it's in the hospitals probably 2 to 3 weeks, depending on what blood type it is. And your closest, we supply the medical center over here right on Chrisman. The normal donation is what we call whole blood. That's where we do get plasma, red blood cells, and platelets. That's the normal donation. We also in here do what we call power red, which is a fancy machine where we actually separate it right here. That takes about a half an hour longer. We just take 1 pint, but it's all red blood cells only. We give them the plasma and platelets back.
So, if you're a healthy Skyline student, 16 years or older, keep your eyes out for your next opportunity to donate blood and be a hero, just like Dr. Green.